Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Kenny.
Hi!
And today we're gonna do a video, obviously. And we're gonna do a makeup challenge.
Yeah.
Ask our friends to choose a makeup look for us that we're gonna recreate. First one, this is the makeup look that I'll be doing.
It's kind of hard though.
Yeah.
Ren chose this. And this one's mine. Oppa.
Oppa.
Sit focus.
If you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Primer. I have the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. And you?
Well, I'll use my Pore Professional Primer from Benefit. Trust Russ.
Trust.
Hi Russell, this makeup's for you.
Shout out to our friend, Sean Crespo.
Hi Sean!
Hi, Sean.
Hope you're doing good. So while she's wetting her sponge, I'm gonna use this Pro Conceal LA Girl. It's a concealer. So I don't actually use this every day, but today, I'm just gonna use it.
Here, the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the shade medium. I feel like this is gonna be dark for me, ah.
I use this It Cosmetics foundation. Medium. Is this medium? I forgot the shade.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
medium
medium.
shade. Just changed the lighting.
Because it's super blinding. And
So what's next with foundation?
after foundation, gagawin na ba natin the eyes? Ah, the powder! We have the powder. face. Shout out to Ren.
I think I'm gonna do my my eyeshadow now.
Anyways, let's go into the eyeshadow.
Yeah. The most important time.
So, for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna start off with my transition shade from the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette. So, I'm gonna use this color. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna blame it on Ren.
Yeah. Shout out to Ren.
Ren is...
Who lives in Baclaran.
Yeah. This is my first time using the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted eyeshadows. I've ordered this last
What?
month. I do not know lang parang kinong lang ako.
That is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do my other eye. I don't even know if this is done already.
We're just fading.
I'm not really good at this.
We're just fading.
Yeah. At least we tried.
Dude, I don't know what's happening here. This is the Marc Jacobs mascara. What's that?
Benefit
Bad guy.
Bad Call Bang. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Hula bronzer now. It's from Benefit. It's not focusing.
Cause you're too close.
Okay.
Okay, it's not focusing, but it's cool.
But it's Hula Benefit, the mini me. I'll just use this NYX Cabaret shade for my lipstick.
So since it's a blow up look, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
Para lang meron glow yung noo.
Pati noo! So I'm gonna curl my lashes.
So dahil I put way too much on the forehead. Let's curl it. Ow!
Gonna
Glossy.
use this Mario Badescu. It's not focusing. Yeah. Mario Badescu Rose Wire.
Paano yun?
Mine's this one. And then it's the look.
So this is our final look.
Yeah. Not considering the hair because it's so messy. Just the face.
So I think we did a great job with copying the pictures.
Kinda achieved it, the pegs.
Yeah.
Thanks for Ren and Opa.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!